This video is sponsored by Lotus Tools Philippines. Performance delivered.
Hello. In this clip, I'm just gonna show you how to replace the blades of your thickness planer. Lotus has sent us a pack of their blades. Here they are. Where they are? Here they are. They're in this very safe pack, and I'm gonna replace my existing blades with a set of these. Let's go. So first and foremost, before with any tool, make sure that it is not plugged in. Make sure it is not plugged in. Moreover, when you are doing something with the blade or the machine itself, it will really pose risks. So first, we're gonna remove this piece over here. This is the cover for the back. There are hex screws over here. Lotus has provided an Allen wrench for the thickness planer, which I have misplaced, not lost, misplaced. I'm sure it's there. And they have these magnets for handling the blade. These are magnets. So these use the proper tools for when changing blades. So let's just remove these. Like that. So there are two screws located at both sides. Ay. So Lotus has also mentioned, if wala itong cover na to, your thickness planer won't work, since ito ang parang button niya. If the cover is not in place, this will not work. So that's a safety feature from Lotus. So as we can see, medyo madumi. Let's bolt in. Let's clean. So ito yung helical blade, ibig sabihin malakas siyang kumilig. Joke. So as you can see, these are the blades. To move the roller nga pala. Move it, just press so that you could move the roller, the cutter head. Okay? Do it safely and carefully. Matalas ang blades. Please, okay? So we're gonna check what blades to replace. Alam ko recently, I already flipped some of these blades. So, all are working well naman. But, let's just pick yung pinaka gas-gas. Feel ko ito. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lotus has sent us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 7. Can't beat that. So, Lotus has also provided a special wrench, a special screwdriver for these blades. It is a star shape-ish. Wait, as you can see, it is a star-shaped end. So to unscrew, just simply unscrew. These are tight. Always be careful, just wow, these are tight. There, okay. Screw, get hold of the magnet para hindi mahulog. See, now the blade is picked up with the magnet. Your fingers are not touching the blade. Super safe. So quick look. So there. Which one? This one. So it's this one. When you are going to screw down the blade, it will automatically rest on that part over here. As long as you place it properly, it will rest on where it's supposed to rest. It will automatically click in. So there. So now that's a bit fixed. We're going to screw it in. Screw it in there. And when you screw it in, make sure it is tight. You don't want your blade to fly off. So just there, one. Yep, I think that's good enough. So that's not going anywhere, hopefully. Hopefully. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so now change all of the blades. So there, all are replaced. Just double check each screw, just to be sure. There, just one notch. Yep, just to be sure. And there. Okay. Now that that's fixed, we're gonna put back the cover. So, tama ba ako? That's right. Okay. So, there. So there. There, you have replaced your blades of your thickness planer. The reason for changing blades due to chip out of blades, worn out blades, so that you could always have nice, smooth surfaces on your pieces. Oh, I forgot to mention a pro tip, by the way. When you're replacing the blades of your thickness planer, always match the number. Like, as you can see, there are numbers at each corner. So when you install, always match them. If your number 1 is on the top left, always make sure that the pattern of each blade is like this. So when you're gonna spin the blade, they are all uniform. Okay, so that's it. Let's give it a try. Now we are going to test whether the blades are compatible with my previous blades and if they really made a difference on the surface of my planks. Another pro tip, always wear your PPE, your personal protective equipment. I am wearing a face mask, ear pods, and I tied my hair. Another thing when planing, always do small passes at a time. This will make it easier on your machine, on your plank, and of course on yourself. I guess 1/16 of an inch or 1/16 is a good starting point. So yep, the new blades really helped. I was already having some plane marks on my planks before replacing the blades, and after replacing the blades, there were no more plane marks. It was smooth and so nice. By the way, plane marks are the indication that there is something wrong with your blade. It may be dull, there may be chip out, or yeah, those stuff, and you need to flip or change them. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. So like, share, subscribe, do all those beautiful stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye!